Okay, for 130, it says that Anne lives on the shoreline of a large lake. So let's say that this is Anne's house. It now says the market is located 24 kilometers south, right? So we would go south 24. And then 32 kilometers west, right? So 32 kilometers west, right? On the other side of the lake. If she takes a boat across the lake directly towards the market, how far is her home? So what they're asking us is, how far this direct path would be, right? How far that direct path. So we quickly realize it's a right triangle because they gave us directions as south and west, and we know they're perpendicular. So we now have an equation, right? 24 squared plus 32 squared equals this, this C squared. So 24 squared, 24 times 24 is 576 plus 32 squared, which is 32 times 32, which is 1024, equals C squared. So 576, so this becomes 0, right, carry the 1, 9, 0, carry the 1, 5, 6. 1600 equals C squared. Oh, that's very nice, right? Because 1600 is a perfect square, and we get 40 equals C, because 40 times 40 is 1600. So how far is it from her home to the market? It is 40 kilometers from her home to the market.